In this recipe, we're making spicy rice, exactly how the Portuguese spicy rice. So I got some nice Angelban rice, long grain. You don't have to wash it. So I'm making a spicy mix. Garlic granules or garlic powder you can use. 2 full teaspoon. Onion powder, dry onion powder. I'm adding 4 teaspoons. Turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon. Chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Smoked paprika powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander, dry coriander leaf crushed, 1 teaspoon, but full one. Now mix it up everything. So making the spicy rice, I'm using an olive oil, extra virgin. I added 5 tablespoons of olive oil. So once the oil is hot, I'm adding bell pepper that is red and green, chopped up without the seeds. So add in 1 Holland chili, diced. The pepper, I use 1 whole bell pepper each. So after 2 minutes of sauteing, add in the spice mix and 4 teaspoon heat full. Saute for another minute. Add in 1 cube of veg stock cube. Saute. 1 full salt teaspoon. Now adding passata sauce, that is 100 grams. So once everything is added, I cook for a minute and then I taste it. I want to add 1 more teaspoon of the spice mix. So total of 5. The 5 you can add in the beginning as well. Now adding the rice, 500 gram Angelban long grain rice. So mix it for a minute. So now I'm at the water. It's hot water, 1.7 times. So pour all at once. Once the rice is mixed well, let it start bubbling or boiling. I'm adding lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. After adding the water and lemon juice, I tasted the salt. We needed a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So adding salt, 1/2 teaspoon, mix it. So once water is reduced, almost like this, bubbling, we're going to cover it with aluminum foil and the airtight lid. So now cook it on the slow for 6 minutes and then you're going to switch it off and then rest it for another 6 minutes and it's ready. So after resting for 6 more minutes, we just open it and see. Now the rice is ready, the water is absorbed. You can just mix it, cool it down, and then if it's for the restaurant, you can keep it in the fridge and then warm it up as per the order, or keep it in a hot chamber. So to present it, you can use a side bowl. Ideally, it should be 200 grams of rice, enough for a side portion.